So here's our demo. We're going to show you the automatic work instruction creation for this drawing here. It's a assembly of a flanged valve. So here's the UI. You can upload whatever engineering drawings you have. We'll upload that drawing, as well as relevant standards and specs. So this is a standard that's called out by the drawing, as well as I'll upload a standard that we're going to use later on. In the additional information, you can add any special instructions for how you want your work instruction to be created. If you have any special details for your floor or details like that, we'll leave that blank for now. So we'll go ahead and create this. And we've pre-ran the software and put the output here so we don't have to wait for the loading time for demo purposes. But it's created a full work instruction for that drawing. And you can go in and make any changes that you think are relevant or needed. And I want to draw your attention here to how it's installing these nuts. It's doing a 20 to 30% torque, then 50 to 70% torque, final torque, a lap check, and it's waiting for 4 hours and doing another lap check. That's pretty non-standard. And where that actually comes from is from the spec that we uploaded that the drawing calls out. And I've got a zoomed in version here. You can see that it's taken this protocol and it's adapted it to the work instruction to make sure the work instruction actually conforms to the standards called out in the drawing. And so now let's say we want to make some high-level edits. Let's take recordings of all the different measurable values throughout the assembly process, and let's do some final inspections per that standard we uploaded earlier. So here, again, we've pre-ran this, but you can see that the system added ways to record all the different values during the different parts of the instruction, as well as it's changed this final inspection. And the specific verbiage here, again, comes from a standard, and that's that DS1000 we uploaded earlier, as we asked for in the edit there. And you can see the actual direct wording matches against the standard here. And so you can continually go through that process where you make changes to any steps and make any high-level edits through the prompt here until you're satisfied with the final instruction. And that's how you use the product.